Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna talk about the difference between inspiration and motivation. For years I thought that inspiration and motivation meant the same thing. But the more I thought about it, the more I came to believe that there's a very important distinction between both of them. The subtle difference between the words can make a world of difference in leading people. I went through various platforms to know about these words, such as internet, I read some books, and also went through some documents available. And this is how most of the platforms have defined inspiration and motivation. So inspiration can be defined as something that makes someone want to do something or that gives someone an idea about what to do or create. Whereas motivation can be defined as the act or process of giving someone a reason for doing something. I know, at the very first moment you listen to both the definitions, you might not be able to figure out the difference, and I felt the same. Now I'll explain in detail what both of them actually mean. Inspiration is more a person reaching a point of wanting to act, whereas motivation is more of people giving reasons to act. There's a difference between babysitting and empowerment. There's a need for both inspiration and motivation, but to lead effectively, knowing the difference makes a tremendous difference. When we try to motivate people by using the positive incentives and perhaps even some negative tactics, that's using outward things to enter the heart, where real change takes place. This can work to some degree, but the effect is often temporary. When we try to inspire people, we are reaching for the heart in a way that person is changed from inside out. When people want to change because there has been a deep stirring in their heart, it's sustainable and leads to long-term vibrancy. There was a time in my life when I consistently sought encouragement from others as my main source of motivation. Sometimes I would get it, other times I wouldn't. I needed the encouragement to perform well. Then I began to be inspired by a purpose-driven challenge in my life, as well as some individuals who helped me to understand that what I do should not define who I am. This changed everything. With motivation, I was looking for reasons to be a better me to maximize the performance. With inspiration, I understood who I was. And as a natural byproduct, I was able to accomplish things that I never thought were possible. Both inspiration and motivation is important in life, but always remember that motivation is temporary, whereas inspiration is permanent. So if you are looking to accomplish the long-term impactful goals in your life, then definitely inspiration is something that you need to have. With motivation, you may be able to achieve a smaller goal, but in order to achieve the goals with the larger impact, you definitely need to have inspiration. Now I'll again speak both the definitions that I spoke in the beginning, and this time they will make more sense. Inspiration can be defined as something that makes someone want to do something or that gives someone an idea about what to do or create, whereas motivation can be defined as the act or process of giving someone a reason for doing something. So friends, that's it for today's video. If you're coming to the channel for the very first time, then please consider subscribing it. I'll be coming back with more such videos on various important topics. Like, share and comment. Please take care of yourself and your family. See you until next time.